Education Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i has dismissed as pure conmanship the activities of Musau Ndunda-led National Association of Parents. The CS reiterated that action will be taken against any head teacher who will effect any payment to Ndunda's association.
The feud between Education Cabinet Secretary Dr. Fred Matiang'i and the Kenya National Association of Parents Secretary General Musau Ndunda has taken a new twist as Matiang'i calls the operation of the association a conman's racket that enriches a select few at the expense of hard-working parents.
If Matiang'i thinks that by us promoting to protect the rights of the parents that we are becoming too much, then he has to go and ask the court, please, can you quash this constitution because it is now encroaching in other territory.
Let us live truthfully. Let us be honest in the things we do. How can you be a national parent? How can you be a national parent who is supposed to be speaking for all parents? And if that is the case, why then don't you allow us as parents to give you the mandate to speak for us?
Pointing an accusing finger at Musau Ndunda, Matiang'i has claimed Ndunda is only serving his selfish interests through bad-mouthing individuals and triggering court battles.
I have been sued for the 3 years I've been in government, much more or many more times than I've ever been sued in my life.
To cap it all, Matiang'i has maintained that heads of state should refrain from paying any fees to the association, warning that action will be taken against them for allocating school funds to such use.
Unmitigated madness of briefcase carriers, idlers, loitering around schools and collecting money and intimidating our head teachers. I told the PS to issue a circular to the county directors, which will go to all head teachers. No head teacher should give a penny to any of these idlers. Myself, I am a parent, and they include all these people. Everyone in cabinet is a parent, and we do not know when we asked you to speak for us. When I'm saying these things, there's no malice. It's a fact of life.
Musau Ndunda, who has long been vocal on matters education, recently came under fire after his association's legibility was questioned by the CS, prompting a back and forth between the two. Trix Ingado, KTN News, Nairobi.